got the sauce. I got the sauce. I got a little sauce. Okay. Now I'm gonna start it. Ohayou gozaimasu. Today is my special day because I bought new exhaust. So it's the RacingBeat system for FD3S. So I've always wanted this one because it has a little volume, but it's not too much. It's not super loud, and if you tune it correctly, you will see barikiがimprove します。Okay. So it's not annoying loud, but if you tune it correctly, you may see horsepower increase. You may see horsepower. Okay, I'll see you in the garage.
シートベルトいる？
シートベルトして。OK。では始めていきたいと思います。
待って。
では始めていきたいと思います。
Hello.
ルーシーです。
Lucy?
That's her name.
What's up? What's up?
Alright. 無事鍵を見つけました。今日は日本語なのでね。
OK。日本語ね。
日本語ね。
OK。はい。
OK。大丈夫です。今日はエグゾースト新しいの買ったので、それをインストールするんだけど、それの前にストックのエグゾーストがどんだけ静かでいいかっていうのを話して、でその後にインストールしたらもう一回乗って、
OK。
どれくらい変わるかっていうのを実況していきたいと思います。
OK、Let's go!
Let's go! よし、行きましょう。そうなんだよ。このさ、バンプがちょっとね。
難しいね、右運転。
そう、ちょっとやっぱりまだ慣れないな。
嘘。久しぶりだからか、やっぱり。
Oh, baby!
Wait, mine?
Yeah.
What?
開けてごらん。ドアヘンドルあるから。
どこにあるの？
この下。こっち。これ。
これ？あ、OK。
で、all the way close. Good. びっくりするよね。びっくりするよね。ほら。
え、早い。
全然うるさくないんじゃん。
でもこの元からついてるやつ。
そう、元からついてるやつ。だから一応うるさくないから、このおしゃべりしててもちゃんと聞こえるし。
確かに。
そう、近所迷惑にもならないしね。あと音楽も聴けるから、
上等。
そう、静かなのはちょっと好き。なんかあんまり注目を浴びないので。でも結構ほら、普通の車と変わらないぐらい全然静かじゃん。
全然何も気にならないよ。
気にならないよね。
Wow! Holy shit!
やばいね。ここさ、警察署の目の前だと思う。
大丈夫？
Yes! 気持ちいい。
気持ちいいね。ちょっと怖い。プシュプシュ言ってる。でもここも本当に楽しい。怖い。でも今本当に 70% ぐらいじゃん。全然10ではない。そう、10ではない。よし。ではあんまりやってまた壊れるときついので。
2 hours later.
So the stock exhaust is off. It's really easy. Just make sure you use the WD-40 for the hanger. One person can easily do this in like 10 minutes. Let's compare the stock Mazda exhaust and RacingBeat. Right from the start, the size difference is obvious. The RacingBeat also seems to be a higher quality metal. The upgraded exhaust is two-piece construction, making for easier install, and the tips are over double the size to fill the muffler space. The pipe that connects to the cat is much thicker but lacks heat shielding, which should not be a problem that far back. The wells on the RacingBeat are beautiful and the flanges are works of art. So let's get it installed and see how it sounds. First of all, it looks amazing. Like, look. Oh my goodness, so shiny. Oh, so cute. I am obsessed. Damn, it's so pretty. Like, it still looks pretty stock, but you can kind of tell it's not. I love it. I got the sauce. I got the sauce. I got a little sauce. Okay. Now I'm gonna start it. It's been about a couple days and we changed the exhaust on Thursday and we decided to go to Phoenix on Friday, so we don't have enough time to film. But today, well, Froggy decided to eat now, so we have to wait for her to finish. But back to the topics. Since Lucy's not here, I have someone else help me review the exhaust today. So let's go. Hey. Stop being fucking weird. Please be normal.
Okay.
Okay. Here's my helper.
Helper?
I mean, yeah.
Okay.
What?
Okay.
You're helping me.
Oh, okay.
You're my helper.
Okay.
Okay. What's your name?
私は DJ です。はじめまして。お願いします。
No. But yes, he is DJ and he is gonna help me review my exhaust.
Let me roll my window up so I can get it full volume. Bro, stop pushing buttons.
I'm not touching
Thank you.
anything.
Mind your business.
You mind your fucking business.
How about you watch your effing language? How about you turn your headlights on? Okay, so real review here, okay?
Alright. You heard the stock exhaust before.
Of course.
It was
It was
really quiet.
yeah, it was pretty quiet. I kind of enjoy the stock exhaust though. I hate loud exhaust,
Yeah.
but this isn't much louder than the stock exhaust.
Yeah, I like it.
It actually, it kind of gives you kind of like a low growl. Okay.
I like it. But I can't see shit because of the
It's good that it doesn't sound like
Oh yeah. I
like
get that.
a fart can, you know.
Yeah, I don't like those.
Yeah. It's got a nice little rumble. You can still hear yourself think. It doesn't. Yeah, I dig it so far. What do you think about it?
Yeah. Same. You said everything like perfect. I don't have much to say. Well,
Did it leave you speechless?
but yeah, you can still listen to music and chat. So it's not too loud. I love it.
Yeah, no, I think it's fine.
And it sounds still aggressive, kinda,
Yeah, kinda.
but not too much.
Okay. Give me let's do a couple, short pulls here just so we can see how loud it does get. So I'm just gonna keep talking and you just do a pull. My country, 'tis of thee, sweet land of here. What the fuck are you doing? Stop.
What?
I'm trying to see 30, Jesus. Okay. Alright. So it didn't get obnoxiously loud. Luckily we didn't get stopped by the police too. That's a good thing.
Yeah, no, I didn't.
Okay. Yeah, so I would say even at full tilt is not ridiculous. I kinda actually enjoy it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it
for sure.
still sounds super duper close to stock.
Yeah. Well, that way, whenever you're doing goofy shit like you just did, you're not waking up the neighborhood.
True.
You're not, making a bad name for the car community. Because honestly, a lot of cars exhaust, especially rotaries, sound really, really annoying. In my opinion. Don't be mad. And for regular people who are not car people, one of the most obnoxious things in the world is just an exhaust that's not well tuned. Like no one wants to hear that shit.
Yeah.
So, no, I think RacingBeat did great with this exhaust.
I agree.
I really like it.
Mm-hmm.
I wouldn't change anything. In fact, I would say if anything, it could maybe a high flow cat would give it a little bit more volume.
Yeah.
But even that's not necessary because it sounds really good, especially for a rotary.
True.
Then again, I hate anything that doesn't sound like a